Hi, my name is Patrick with ClinicSense, and I'm excited to share with you another upgrade to our scheduling settings. You'll be able to choose which practitioners are accepting new clients. This will be very helpful if you're busy and you cannot accept new clients, but perhaps you have a new hire who does have the availability. You'll be able to set this up so that only existing clients can book with you, but all clients can book with the other practitioner. So let me show you how this works. From the calendar page, click Setup, navigate to Practitioners. From here, navigate to Online Scheduling. From here, you can see we have new options, and I'm going to set this practitioner so that she only accepts existing clients, but not new clients. Click Existing Clients Only and click Save. Next, I'm going to show you how this affects your online booking. From your ClinicSense profile page, I'm going to click Book Appointment. I'm going to select New Client, click Next, select our initial assessment, and click Next. And now we can see the only practitioner available is the practitioner that can accept both new and existing clients. So we do believe this new feature will be very beneficial for your practice. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@clinicsense.com.